Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is we're gonna still continue our unpacking of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So again, this is the Sword and Shield Brilliant Stars mini box at saka yung ano natin, 'di ba? So tinatawag na booster packs. Okay, so ayun. Sisimulan na po natin kagad, okay? And here it So, okay, here it goes. Magsisimula na po tayo. So, these two over here, the booster packs, is we gonna step aside for that, and then let's gonna go to this one. Okay, just gonna check it out again. Let's gonna check it out. So, the hunting for the Pokemon is still the hunting for the Pokemon cards is still in work. Okay. Okay. So nothing new. Okay, nothing new. So nothing new. Okay. Okay. And okay. So what is this one? Okay. Oh, electric type. Okay. That's interesting, and that's interesting. It's an electric type, so um, oh, 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 what? Yes! Whoa! Yes! Jolteon VMAX holographic card. Whoa! That is a one interesting fact, okay? That is a one interesting hottest pulse. Yes! Yes! Whoa! Yes, thank you. I've got the Jolteon VMAX in a holographic card. Wow. That is one. So another, okay. Let's gonna recap this for a while. Okay, so I have some Phantom, Tutul, Luxray, Corviknight, Oricorio, Sandygast, Howlucha, Phalanx, Frostmoth, Hitmore, Sigilyph, Melmetal, Pangoro, Phalanx, Araquanid, and Rookidee. So, okay, right. So, and then our V cards over here is also have some Dodrio, Voltant, Gradient, Cinderace, another Cinderace, Probable, and a Gradient VMAX. Okay, a Gradient VMAX, a Shaymin V Astro, Gengar, a Voltant, and a Greninja. So I'm gonna put that into the VMAX plastic, and also got some legendary Pokemon over here, Verizon and Yveltal. So okay, let's gonna go. Okay, another what hot pulls for today. Okay, I didn't expect that one. Okay, another Verizon, Howlucha, Cinderace, Corviknight, Yveltal, Oricorio, Sandygast, Cinderace again, Luxray, Dodrio again, Tutul, Gradient, Boltan, Phantom, Corvisquire, Tyranitar, Luxray, Impidimp, Sizzlipede, Palossand, Mew, Rotom, Celebi, Dreadnought, Breloom, Beware, Trevenant, okay, and Aboltant, okay, Genesect, the last one is Genesect, okay, I don't know what is this one. Okay. Oh, electric type again. It's an electric type again. Okay. This is interesting. Okay. This is interesting. Interesting. Electric type. Okay, let's gonna go to this one. Okay. Let's check. What is this electric type? Okay. What is this electric type? Whoops. Oops. Okay. Oh, it's a Dracozort. It's a Dracozort VMAX. Whoa, nice. Okay. It's a Dracozort VMAX. Oh, nice one over there. So I didn't know that Dracozort is electric type, right? Okay. Dracozort is electric type. Okay, so hot spools. Okay, that was the hot. That was some hot. So let's go. Gonna open this up. Let's go. Gonna open this up. So there's no promo card because this is only in Philippines. Because this is just only in Philippines. That's why there's no promo card on it or a promo code on it. So okay, Atarcol, okay, Charizard, Hunchcrow, oh, Castform, okay, War Madam, another Mimikyu V Max, Trainer, okay, another Trainer, okay, another Castform. So what is this? Okay, it's a grass type. Grass type Pokemon. It's a grass type. Okay, let's check. Oops. Oh. Okay. If you look at that X scissor over there. Okay, if you look at X scissor over there, so don't think okay about it. Okay, don't think about it. Okay. Ooh, 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 whoa! It's a cricket tune. Yes, it's a cricket tune. Yes, look at that. I have this Pokemon in my game. The Pokemon. What is this called? Pokemon Shining Pearl. Okay, I have the Shining Pearl game. Okay, and then the last one. On to the last one. Okay, and we're gonna still have a recap for the Pokemon cards. Okay, we're still gonna have a recap. We're still gonna have a recap for this Pokemon cards over here. So, a Raichu, Luminion, Magmar, Trainer, Tornadoes is a okay, legendary Pokemon. Starly, Zamazenta, Simisear. Oh, another one Inferno. So I just want an Inferno. I just want an Inferno. Okay, so Trainer. What is this one? Okay. Okay, it's upside down. The card is upside down. Okay, it's a psychic type. It's a psychic type. Okay. What is this? Whoa! Necrozma! What? It's a Necrozma? It's a Necrozma! Whoa! Look at that! Will you look at that? It's our Necrozma. So as you can see, like, love it. So it's a Necrozma. Oh, look at that! Oh, amazing, amazing, amazing pick for today, guys. It's an amazing pick. So this is not a holographic, semi holographic. This is a semi holographic card, Necrozma. So okay, that was our hottest purse for today. So again, I'm gonna have another have a Charizard V, and also I have some legendary Pokemon, Tornadoes, and have a Virizion. Okay, one Tornadoes, okay, two Virizion, and two Eviltal. So, and got some trainers over here. So, trainer card over here. So, I have some trainer card. Marnie is a poison type trainer. Barry, and then what is this one? Certificate, another Barry. Okay, and then again, okay, let's gonna go have some recap over here. So CV series, the Magenta, Luminion, Raichu, Harshcore, Genesect. Okay, that's one right there. Okay, and then also I really needed an Inferno, but it doesn't have an Inferno yet. Infernate, okay, Infernate. Okay, Inferno, Starly, Magmar, and also the one cast form. This is new, cast form, right? So I think this is also Wormadam new. Okay, a Trevenant. Okay, yes, that's right, guys. So and then a VMAX card over here. Gradient and Mimikyu, so VMAX, and then also another Shaman V Astro over there. Okay, 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 that's it for today's video, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unpacking of Pokemon cards. So the Pokemon hunting party isn't over yet, so I'm still looking for another hot pick next week. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you